Yeah. So she can swim. Uh-oh. Hey guys, so I get to show you the new puppies. So these are this. So
Who's she?
She's name is Giselle. She is going to go into this. Give her a little. And it's her turn to swim. Okay, you can have some smoothie. You can have a smoothie ever you want. Where's that blue that I fill with water? Where's that little, what's this? Here it is. Found it. This is what I want. Get some more for me. No more. Guess we have to have some more.
You drink all the pool water. You drink all the pool water. Don't drink any more pool water. The pool will be dry. Yeah, it's not clean if you drink it. Your tummy will get hurt. That's right, Ari. Don't drink more pool water, please. Are you thirsty?
Yeah.
Can you give some to the little girl?
No.
Here's the girl. Oh, she's right here. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Bye. This is Cinderella, and this is Cinderella, and this is
Anna.
This is Jasmine.